Hey everybody, happy Thursday to you. Got another kit to look at while I wait for stuff to dry on the GMC Jimmy. This is the AMT 1955 Chevy Belair 2-in-1 build stock or street rod. Here's this side of the box. Cool decal sheet. It shows you it comes with white wall tires or custom center lines, looks like. Hood scoop. Here's the bottom of the box with the parts. And let's just take a look. I'm waiting for the chassis and the interior to dry on the Jimmy before I can get the engine mounted and the wheels and tires. Well, let's take a look at this kit. Here's our front and rear glass, or side vent windows are reds. I'm not going to take them out of the box because I don't want them to get scratched. These are real nice white wall tires. Those are really nice. And it's not an insert, that's the actual tire. And then we've got our, looks like no name custom tires. Boy, there is not a lot to this kit. There's only a handful of parts trees. I'm really shocked with that. So here's our engine, radiator, front suspension, steering wheel, little custom steering wheel. I like that it's got 3 different settings for the front end if you really want to drop it low. Here's our front suspension, our dry shaft. Here's our wheel backs and our hood scoop. And our pins for the, I assume, are the front wheels. Here's our hood. Rear differential. Oh, I see the custom wheels are white. Well, that's kind of different that they didn't come chromed. Which means I can buy some chrome paint and do them myself. That's very different. This looks like our door handles. Again, not chrome. Here's our front bench seat and our dash. Alright, here's our stock hubcaps, our bumpers, chrome headers, our intake, chrome oil pan. It's kind of weird that it only came with 2 of these Krieger style rims. Here's our other bumpers. I assume we can have 2 different front and rear bumpers. Our grill, valve covers, intake, our Chevy emblems, the hood, airplane for the hood, chrome trim rings for the rear. But that's really weird that it only came with 2 of those. Why not send it with 4? This was a sealed kit that I just opened. And it looks like there's stuff missing here. Really seems like there should be 2 more rims here. And they're not in the box. So when I go through the instructions, we'll have to look and see if it did come with 4 of these Krieger style rims. Because it looks like something should have been mounted here, here, and here. Wow, that's very weird. A couple of velocity stacks. And that's all there is for trees. Here's our interior tub. Our chassis, exhaust molded in. Not a fan of that. And then here's our 55 Chevy body. It's molded very nice. Nice crisp door lines. This could be fun doing all the chrome on that. Alright, let's look at the instructions and just see if it was supposed to come with 4 of those Krieger style wheels. Wheels. We can have the stock chrome ones. Or it can have the center lines. But it does not show anything for the other set of wheels. That's interesting. Very weird that we would only get 2. I suppose if you wanted to just put 2 on, you could. I don't understand that logic at all of only including 2. Alright, here's our nice decal sheet with some nice flames on it. Like the blue. Paint front of car to match the blue. 8-ball body shop. I like the flaming 8-balls. Those would look really cool, like on the rear glass. Those would look really good. We got our license plates. Left side, right side. Yeah, so there's a look at the AMT 55 Chevy Belair. Like I said, I just don't understand the logic of only giving me 2 of these Krager style rims. It just makes no sense to me. But hey, it's AMT, so. But I do like that the centerline wheels are white so that you can chrome them yourself. So I do like that. But that's it. There ain't much to the kit. Not much at all. I don't know. I don't know if I should build it custom or build it stock. Either way, it would probably look good. But the interior doesn't fit worth a shit. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that look at this kit. What year is it? It's from round 2. Does it say what year the kit is? Let's see. I don't see a date on it. I'm sure it's fairly new, being it's from AMT. But who knows, maybe it's been around a while. Yeah, there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. And I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.